Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 5, the first lesson, adding a secondary vertical axis. So, on the Chart Design tab in the Type group, click Change. Hang on, I'm in the wrong thing. Click in a blank area of the chart to select it. So, click anywhere. On the Chart Design tab in the Data group, so you got to click Chart Design. And then we're going to click Select Data. In the Select Data Source dialog box, we're going to click Add. In the Edit Series dialog box, click in the Series Name text box, and then click cell A16. Delete the current contents in the series values text box. So I'm deleting that. And then select cells B16 to J16. Oops, that's the wrong thing. I did 14. Make sure you do 16. So you see that it says B16 to J16. Don't do like me and do the wrong one. Click OK. In the Select Data Source dialog box, click OK to add this row. The new data represents an expense, unlike the other data series which represents income. It would therefore make better sense to display it as different chart type with its own separate y-axis value. So mark this as answered, and we're going to fix that. So on the Chart Design tab, in the Type group, click Change Chart Type. In the Change Chart dialog box, click the Combo Chart. So down here on the bottom left, click Combo. By changing to the Combo Chart Type, Excel changes the second half of the data series to the line type. Scroll down to choose the chart type and axis for your data series list box and ensure the chart type for every series is clustered column. Only the last one, advertising and promotion, should be line. So all of these should be clustered column, and I see that some of mine aren't, so I'm going to change those that aren't to clustered column. So only the last one is line. Select the secondary axis checkbox for the advertising and promotion series, so this box right here, and then click OK. I did something wrong because it doesn't. I've got some other things that are still lined. So let's clustered column. Oh, I missed a couple. Change everything. Don't be like me. I missed a couple. So everything, now let's try it. Yep. So now you see that everything is a clustered column except that one that we did that with. So let's submit that, see if all of my mistakes that I corrected. Okay. So a little tougher than it should have been, but this completes